Hello everyone. On this video, I wanted to share with you how I was able to use the Faceless YouTube channel to be able to grow my other different online business. And just yesterday, we received our $520. So make sure you stay all the way till the end because I'll be sharing with you the exact strategy that I used to be able to earn that $520, right? So if you're new to my channel, on my channel, I make videos about YouTube automation. And if you are actually new to YouTube automation, make sure you go and check out this step-by-step training, how you can actually start your YouTube automation channel and get to that six-figure online with your YouTube automation faceless channel, right? So now I'm going to be sharing with you the results, and just wanted to do a quick disclaimer before I share these results. This is my own hard work that I put in, and all the tips and tricks that I'm sharing with you now might not work for you because most of the time people actually start a online business, they don't take any action, right? But if you are actually committed to take action, committed to earn that extra income online, whatever things I'll be sharing with you in this video, you can take this and follow the step by step so you can earn that recurring ongoing income, right? So this is the system that I've used to promote, and it's working really, really great. And just yesterday, we received our $520 and then $100, right? So $100. And we actually not doing any sort of paid method with this system. And it's all the traffic is actually coming from free traffic from our YouTube Faceless channel. And actually, traffic is coming in our funnel. And then the system is pretty much sending out emails automatically, right, in the background. And that's how I was able to earn that income, right? And so far, since I've been promoting this system in the back end, we have been able to generate $5,700 from this system, right? So what am I doing and how am I actually generating these sort of results, right? So the way we actually generate results is using motivation channels, right? The motivation channels, people actually are entrepreneurs, and these people actually have money to invest into whatever business, and they're actually getting motivated from this video. And that's how we actually driving traffic from our motivation channels to our funnel, and then selling the stuff in the back end, right? So if you see, this is a perfect example, and this is just exactly the channel that we start, a motivation channel. So at the moment, you can see Andrew Trades getting a lot of views. So if I click on this video, and in here, what this channel is actually doing, they're putting a affiliate link here, right? So and if I even start this video, you're going to see, right, right in here. So in every video, they're putting the same thing, right? Get lifetime access to EnduTech, link in the bio. And once I click on this, it will actually go to EnduTech's website. And when you actually buy or join the program, the channel creator is actually getting paid, right? So, and why am I starting this motivation channel? Because motivation channel, first of all, the video is very easy to create, and you probably can start a channel for like $15 per video, $10 to $15 video, and you can also make the video yourself. So it's just simple and very, very easy to be able to get free leads coming into your funnel, and pretty much you can sell whatever products or offers you have in the back end, right? That's what I was able, I suppose, I was able to do just in one account. I've got a bigger account, and pretty much you can do this strategy, and you can have as many channels as you want, right? You can just promote all this different stuff online. But if you just like me, I wanted to join a simple business model, and I wanted to get all the support. So for example, if someone else out there wants to start a online business, and they don't have much funds to be able to do the business model, this is the system that I found, and it's working really, really great, right? So you must be asking, like, what is this system? So if you go just below this video, there's going to be the first link, and that link will actually take you to this page here, right? So you need to just enter your details in here, and then after that, what you're going to do is, after this next page, you will see a short video, right? It's just me and my wife doing a short video, just to welcome you in the team. And after you have watched you have watched that video, you're going to click just the learn more button on that same page, and which will actually bring you to the page, which will actually look like this, right? So this is a all-in-one business model which pays you recurring commission month after month. It's very brand new system, right? And it's working really great. And if you scroll down, just one sale per week, right, can turn into $74,000 per year, right? And two sales, 149,000, 224,000, right? Very easy and simple business model. You must be asking, like, what are the products? So the product is actually a funnel builder tool, and it will actually teach you how to build your funnel, how to build your website, membership site, and all that good stuff. So it actually teaches you, but from that it will also be paying you ongoing recurring income, right? So for example, if you just want to use the training, and if you have some other products you want to offer, you can do that completely. That's fine with the company. But if you just want to promote this actual system, you can also do that, right? So all you have to do to actually get access, you can see all these training testimonials here, people actually getting results from this system. All you have to do is just click on this, yes, I want access, and that way you can actually get it at the back end. And in here, make sure you enter all your correct details, because the password and everything will be sent to your email, your phone number and everything, address, right? And also the company is giving you free bonus. But also again, once you actually enter the system right in here, I will send you a free bonus, right, from my side, to be able to joining on my team. And I'll be sending you a personal message, right? So make sure you put the correct email address, so that way you can get access to all my bonus as well, right? So 100% free bonus that you're going to get access to. And then after that, you want to just come in here, tick this box, and then go ahead and tick this box and go ahead and do the checkout. So literally it's the $25. So I was able to earn, make this $25 into $5,700 just within a very short amount of time. And I also have another brand new another older account, which is together with my wife, and it's working really great, right? So I'm not putting that much focus into this one here right now, okay, because I'm focusing more on the bigger account. But you can see very easily, you can earn a lot of income, right, just using this free method that I'm actually teaching you. If you want to just do make YouTube motivation channel and just to promote this, it's working like really great. And you see the highest day we have had, like $820, right? So this is going hand in hand together with your YouTube automation channel, right, which is just working very awesome. So again, thank you so much. I'll leave all the links in the description section below, so you can go and check it out. I'll also leave a Facebook link below, so if you have any question, you can reach out to me. Also, I'll also leave a cheat sheet, so if you want to know what other niches are there you can actually get into, besides the motivation channels, I'll also leave a link below this video, so you can go and check it out. So again, thank you so much. My name is Sanjeev, and I'll speak to you in the coming video. Bye for now.